So a little surprise visit with some folks that you guys might know down here in Laredo, Texas. I ran into some people that you just might recognize. Hold that thought. Be right back. There's the Crafty truckers. Say hi, Jason, Heather. Jason hates being on camera. Little puppy dog. Taking in a hot day in Laredo, Texas.
At least it's a dry heat though.
Yeah.
That's humidity. I cannot stand it.
Seems like every time they're watching a video of me, I'm down in this hole. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, guys. We'll get you back. With you. We're heading on down the road here to a little lakefront campground. It's called Lake Casablanca down here in Laredo, Texas. I came down here, I delivered in Laredo, and lo and behold, I met somebody down here again. Well, not here again, but I met them again. Old Crafty trucker, Jason and Heather. So we're sharing some good stories, some good times, hanging out a little bit, and decided we was going to make a night of it up here at the campgrounds. We're going to chip in a little bit, and we can hang out here, go swimming at the lake, cook some food over a campfire, tell some more good stories and good times, and just have fun with it, man. It's up over 100 degrees right now here in Laredo. So, hence the reason we're doing this in the first place. We're going to do a little bit of swimming, maybe park our vehicles underneath some shade trees, get some free electricity, some free amenities, you know, restrooms and such. I don't know what else they offer, if anything, but it sounds like a good time. So we're going to go down there and share some good times and smiles and make the best of it, man. So hey, we'll put it on y'all here in a minute. I'm sure we're going to be doing a lot of miscellaneous filming throughout the night. So stay tuned, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. Here we go. We got our little camping spot out here at the lake down here in Laredo, Texas. So I'm following the Crafty. This is the Crafty truckers. Trying to locate our spot here and park for the night. Get some camping going on, get some grub cooked, do a little swimming in the lake right there. So I will show y'all more once we figure out where the heck it is we're going. See you in a minute. Me and Heather's the filmers of the group here.
Jason's just along for the ride. Damn, can we get to the lake?
Oh yeah. Go cliff diving.
Oh, yeah. Jason's taking the lead, so if anything jumps out, we're just going to get him first. I love these cactus with these big old...
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
I don't know what those are. Is this a flower? Like flower? Oh, God. What the hell? Is that a tree? 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 Is that a tree?
What?
Oh, maybe down here.
Yeah.
This will be a good spot to take the drone off from.
Oh wow, dude. Yeah, it would. That's gonna be badass. They're swimming out of here, huh?
Huh?
They're swimming out of here?
Oh yeah, yeah. They got people with jet skis over at the.
People littering.
This is awesome.
Yeah, water's gonna feel good here in a little bit.
Heck yeah. I looked up the temperature. It said 101 and feels like 106.
Watch out! I just heard something right there.
Did you really?
Yeah, stay over to the left.
Like a rattlesnaker?
Yeah, it's not like a
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Oh. I thought I heard an animal jumping in the water. That's the waves. That was just the waves, guys.
It's the wave of the future. Oh, dang, this is getting out there with a flip flop.
Oh, it feels nice too.
Is it cold?
Concrete.
Not cold,
No?
but it kind of feels warm a little. But I bet you once you get further out and
Oh yeah.
underneath, it's
Sure, we can go swimming from right here?
Yeah, the deeper water is gonna get nice and cool.
yeah.
Damn, we should have got some.
Oh, it feels good though.
We should have got some swimming shoes.
If I didn't have my phone in my pocket, I'd be jumping in right now.
Oh yeah.
We got our shower shoes,
Those will come
so
off,
we don't get stepping
won't they?
Careful, careful.
mossy.
Pretty out here.
All right, guys, we'll report back. See you in a minute.